How to find Steam ID. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find your Steam ID. To find your Steam ID, you can either open the Steam application on your computer or you can also open the Steam website, which is steam.com, and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this page. Here at the top right corner, you will be able to see your username. Click on your username and from this drop down here select account details. Once you click on this account details, now you will be taken to your account page. In this account page, just below your username, you will be able to locate the Steam ID option. Next to it, you will see the 17-digit number which is your Steam ID. So this is how you can find your Steam ID. Once after finding your Steam ID, you can select it and press on Ctrl+C to copy it. After copying it, you can share it to your friends in order to join Steam. So by following these steps, you should be able to find your Steam ID. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.